When people come in for these dental procedures, often you hear that this is going to take months to years to accomplish. What we can do with the technology that we have now is a lot of times all the planning happens when the patient's not even in the chair. So in one day they come in with a failing set of teeth or no teeth at all, and they leave the same day with a fixed set of teeth in their mouth. By having these teeth fixed, we no longer have to deal with the pain of a removable denture appliance rubbing on the gums while they're tender and healing. Of course, one of the main concerns for everybody is money. When we compare the cost of looking at the whole system in a comprehensive manner and restoring things so it functions well, and we don't have to come back and repeatedly fix problems, the cost is going to wind up being much less in the end. With a well-placed and well-planned implant, there's often no pain or very minimal pain. If you are experiencing pain that's lasting for more than a few days, then that would mean we'd want you to come back in so we can examine you and find out what's happening. A lot of people think about the time that it takes an implant to heal. You may have heard 4 to 6 months. When we're talking about a single implant, that implant has to be able to withstand chewing forces, which it can't do until the bone is healed. If you think about somebody who breaks their arm, for example, and they put a cast on their arm so that the bones won't move, if you think about doing a full arch of teeth in that manner, all that bracing is what also helps the full arch of teeth to heal much faster than, say, a single implant. Just like a cast, this is also like a band-aid over the surgical site. There's no pressure being put on that surgical site like wearing a traditional denture on the surgical site would be. So with a fixed implant option, we're leaving a lot of that pain that is experienced when trying to wear an appliance on that gum tissue. Often we have to figure out ways to make this treatment work for everybody. Having our lab on site helps us to keep our costs down to begin with. If there's changes that have to be made, all these things increase the cost, plus the time. Having the lab on site helps us to keep that down. We have several financing options available, and we also help to break the payments up over the treatment when needed. To find out more about dental implants, please call our office or visit our website so that we can find out together how implants can change your life.